What's up? My name is Hannah. I'm from Formation Studio, and I'm a dancer and a dance instructor. I chose dance because that's when I'm my most freest self. We all love music, we all love rhythm, we all love movement, so it makes sense that I feel free and feel like at home when I'm dancing. My mom put me in dance classes when I was 2, turning 3. She said it was cheaper than daycare at the time. I had a lot of energy, so she was like, okay, let's get this kid in dance class. And I think when I was younger, it was just like super fun, a way to make friends, connect with your community, and again, connect with music, something bigger than myself. When someone walks into my dance class, I'm hoping that they feel safe, that they feel they can be themselves, and ultimately, I'm hoping they feel like they can connect to themselves and to the music. Feel like they have some tools to then take with them and carry on their own dance journey. You see it in that first moment when people walk into a classroom where they're shy or scared or nervous, and then as soon as you get them moving and trusting themselves, they've got it. Something I hear a lot is, oh, I'm not a dancer, or I have 2 left feet, or I could never do that. I think that's a bit of a limiting thought. It's in us. It's literally in each and every one of us. Everyone is a dancer. Everyone has a dancer inside them. You just gotta unleash it and let it out. If you're afraid to take that first step towards learning dance, I think it's just trust. Trust that you've made it this far in your life with the tools that you have. Take that leap of faith. You can do this. You can dance.